What is good? What is good, everybody, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be installing the Steeda jacking rails on my Mustang. This was one of the first videos I ever recorded, and it's pretty old, so it's probably not going to be the greatest quality because I was, like I said, first video ever, brand new. And these Steeda jacking rails, though, to help you jack up your car if you jack it up all the time and work on it like me, are a lifesaver, dude. I would definitely recommend getting them because they come in handy, and especially if you have to take your car to a shop, I mean, it makes their life easier too if they're putting it on a lift. So I don't think they're too much money. I forget how much they are. I've had them for a while now, but like I said, they are worth it if you work on your car and jack it up a lot. They come in so much handy, like super handy. But yeah, this video I show you guys how to install them, and it's super easy to install. I mean, it shouldn't take more than an hour tops, and I don't even think it took me an hour to install them. I think it was like 40-50 minutes to install them. But definitely, if you guys are interested in getting them, I'd say pull the trigger and buy them because they are worth it. But please subscribe, like, comment. I'm gonna have a lot more content coming out for you guys. The build's about to get crazy, and you know, I'm just trying to progress and do everything I want to my car because there's a lot of crap I want to do to it, but it's expensive. So I'm going to be trying to post a video like once a week for you guys, maybe once every other week. And you know, like I said, please subscribe to the channel, and hope you enjoy the video. Peace. What is up, everybody? Today I'm going to be installing the Steeda jacking rails. Got them from Steeda.com. Because I jack my car up a lot, so you know, why not make it easier and not mess up your pinch welds. Jack it up, super simple to install. Comes with 4 15mm bolts. You'll need a 15mm and an 18mm, and I would bring a flathead, like a long flathead, because you gotta take 2 bolts out of the cross member under your car to get the 2 bolts in here. And those 4 bolts, you'll put 2 in there at the front and 2 in that front. It's super simple. Just altogether, it's 8 bolts to install it. Just gotta jack your car up, put them on, and the reason you might need a flathead is because when you unbolt the cross member to get this under it, the cross member might need a little leverage to come off. So I'll show you how to install them once I get out there. Okay, so I got the car jacked up. I'm gonna do one side at a time. I'm not gonna jack up both sides. So once you have it, I'm gonna use an impact. You don't have to. You could use a ratchet, but you need an 18 and a 15. And like I said, a bigger flathead just in case, because you got to get those 2 cross member bolts off the front. They're 18s, and I'll take those off real quick. Okay, so these 2 bolts right here come off. Okay, so with the jacking rail, you want to put this side flat in here, and make sure this is going out towards this way, towards the end of the car, not inside. And then once you get this under the cross member, just hand tighten the 2 bolts that you took out in here, and then this is gonna go to these 2 bolts, or these 2 holes right here. And the 15mm bolts they give you with this are what going right here. Just 2 in this side and 2 in that side, and it's that simple. So okay, so I got that driver's side done. I had to take that jack out to actually get it in place right. It wouldn't go into place because the jack was in the way, so that's one thing you're gonna have to maneuver around. But as you can see, it's in place. I got the bolts in that side, got the bolts in that side, if you could see them, 1 and 2. Tested it out yet, so you know, the reason it's just using the torque for light, but the reason I got it is because you can jack from right here instead of your punch welds. And I jack up my car a lot, so I don't want to keep messing my pinch welds up. You can put your gas on this, which is the cool part. So, I mean, it doesn't go very far to the end, so if you want to jack it up, you still have to use that pinch weld unless you're okay with it being here and here. But I'm going to get the other side done. Alright, I got this side jacked up now, and I'm going to start the process on this side. Okay, and just like that, I got the other side done. Took about all of 10 minutes, and it works really well. It's really hard to see, but they're in there, and can't wait to start using them so I can save my pinch welds. But if you do plan on putting your jack stands on here, I'd suggest getting the ones with the rubber mounts or the rubber top so it doesn't damage the steel, metal, whatever it is. Super easy to install, and they're not too heavy either, so not adding much weight to it. But I'm done, so I'm gonna clean everything up and get this video uploaded for you guys.